So I recently got sent out these oven gap covers. They are adjustable and they come in a 2-pack. And today we're going to be doing a quick install. All right, so we're going to put the rounded edge facing towards us. And we're going to push it all the way to the back of the oven. And I have a little lip on the edge of my counter, so I'm going to push it just right there for now. Now we're going to do the exact same thing over here. And the cool part is the metal's all super thin. So my gap here wasn't that large, but it still was able to fit in there just fine. And if you guys are noticing that they're kind of loose in the gap, you guys can actually move these pieces of metal out, and then we're gonna flip it over and do the exact same thing. And so this is gonna give it some resistance whenever it's going in. So now I just pushed it back in place and it is much more secure. All right, so here are the gap covers completely installed. Took me about 30 seconds to put them together, so super quick. And now I don't have that annoying gap right there that I'm always dropping things down. It does just look much cleaner, and I love how simple it was to also install. They are just metal, so they're gonna be really easy to clean and take out if you guys do need to maintain them. And these could be adjusted to be really long. So anyways, that's it for my really quick install and review of these oven gap covers.